this video is going to be about a sugar tuck with an outside underarm spin for the lady and to a hand change. Now this is going to ask the ladies to reduce the amount of spin they do. They're still rotating, okay? And they're going to do a hand change. But the thing is, I'm doing the hand change. She is not. Cool? All right, here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Good. You notice we both got to open up a little bit, give it a little style. Okay, here we go.
And you'll find more about that
on the product lesson style video. Yeah? Go to that, use more detail. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Cool? All right. Let's do that again. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Very cool. One more time. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. All right. There we go. Feel that? So again, remember, if you actually go through these patterns, know that whenever you do your waltz and triples, they don't have to be exactly like the way we do it. Remember, it's about keeping your rhythm and positioning with each other. Communicate through the connection. Cool? Again, we go over that in the private lesson video. This is a quick view, but we're just going to give you a little tidbit and little hints like that to help you out. All right? So go back, have fun, rewind as much as you need to, and then come on back for the next pattern.